Hi, Bestie. Welcome to my channel. My name is Miss River, also known as Karen. Welcome to my page if you're new. So glad you decided to join me. And hopefully there's something that will interest you on my page. And if you've been here before, you already know what I'm going to say. Hey, girl, hey. So glad you came back. So, guys, I am doing the Road to 600 Sub Save It Challenge Collab, sponsored by the one and only Boost the Budget. And she's helping dear Karen, aka Karen, and myself. Yes, she helping the Karens to reach our goal of 600 subs. And we truly appreciate it. She helped us get to 500. Dear Finance, not dear Karen. And now she's trying to help us to get to 600. So guys, thank you so much for joining me. So I will be doing some cash stuffing, some saving challenges in this video. So hopefully it interests you. And hopefully stay until the end. And if you want any of these challenges that you see I'm doing in the video, the link is in the description. So feel free to download the saving challenges, share it with your friends, fellow cash stuffers, and don't forget to subscribe to Boost and Budget and Dear Finance. Okay, so let's go ahead and get everything set up. So last week, when Boost and Budget did this Road to 600 collab, she was using cards instead of dice, and I'm gonna try this out today as well. So Irene, thank you so much for introducing something new to me. I'm sure it's not new to the community, but it's definitely something new to me. I have never seen it done before. But I'm looking forward to trying this out. But I'm not going to use the whole deck, and I'm going to pick certain numbers. So I'm only doing 3 challenges. So I do want 1, 2, 3 playing cards. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the ace as a 1. And when I pull that card, that will tell me which one to allocate money to. And then I'm going to pull out the even numbers, 2, 4, and 6. And that will tell me how much to cash stuff in each envelope. So that's how I'm going to utilize the cards. And let's get ready to get started on some cash stuff into the different challenges, guys. And I'm going to speed this up so I can get this started. Okay, so let me shuffle these cards so they're not in the same order as I laid them down. And let's go ahead and get ready to pick some cards so we can get started with this cash stuffing. So this is my first time utilizing cards, like I said before, guys. So please bear with me. I'm just gonna see if the way that I think I want how I want to do this to see how it works. All right. So the first one, 2. Yeah, 2 is the first one. And now we're going to see how much that I need to cash stuff. Alright, so I need to cash stuff $2. Alright, let me shuffle the cards up again so they're not in the same order. Alright. We got 2 again. This time I need to cash the $6. I think, guys, I'm going to do this again with my other challenge. Alright. Let me shuffle this one up too, guys. Alright, so 1. And I need to cash the $2. Alright. Let's shuffle this stack up, guys. I definitely think I'm gonna do this again. Alright, so I got 1 again. And now I need to cash stuff $2. I think I may end up making a challenge to go with these cards. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so now, okay, we got the first one again. And now I need to cash stuff $6. I like that collab that Irene is doing for 2025 with the fellow cash stuffers around the world. I think that's a cool idea. Something different. It might have been done before, but that was my first time I ever seen it. And then there's another collab challenge where I saw they were doing the butterfly in the train. I think that's cute too. Alright, so 3 finally getting some money. And I have to cash stuff $2. So guys, since this is a New Year's thing, do you have anything planned for the new year? Are you going out? Are you going to watch night service? Or are you just staying home? What plans do you have? I don't have any plans, but I think my daughter is going out, so I might end up just having my grandbaby. Alright, 3. Now I need to cash stuff $4. Cause she asked me a few weeks ago, could I watch Cam, my baby, my grandbaby? And I said, yeah, go out and have yourself a ball, girl, cause I've been done all that kind of stuff. But guys, if you do go out, just be safe. Be cautious of your surroundings. Alright, so 2, I'm gonna cash stuff $4. Okay, so number 2, and I'm gonna cash stuff $6. Well, guys, that's all the money that I have left. So now I just need to go ahead and add up how much I save per challenge. I don't think I'm going to complete a challenge today because I still have a little ways to go with all 3 of the challenges. So I might end up completing the challenges when I do them next week. So we shall see. Alright, so the first challenge. Alright guys, my phone had shut down. I'm back. Alright, so for the first challenge, let's see how much I've saved. And each of the challenges that I'm doing is $2 each. So let's count this money up. Alright, so I've saved $8. Okay, so I'm not going to count the monies that in each envelope, but when I complete the challenge, that's when I will go ahead and count it all up. Alright, so now we're going to go to the next challenge to see how much I saved. Okay, so I saved $18 with this one. Okay, so now let's see how much I saved with the final challenge. I was able to save $6. So altogether with all the 3 challenges today, I saved $32. So besties, make sure you check my description. So I have the link there so you can get these freebie saving challenges if you're interested. You don't have to do them this month, but you can use them in January. There are definitely 3 freebies, and I think they're awesome freebies. So check them out and make sure you subscribe and check out their finance page as well as Boots and Budget. Now, if you're not subscribed to any of us, please make sure you subscribe to us and turn on your notifications so you know when we upload another video. So now I definitely need to go ahead and add it to, I'm going to add this, what I did today, into my budget planner so I can have this documented in my progress. And I'll be uploading some more saving challenges video between today and Saturday because I have a few more challenges that I've done for the week. So Alright, so let me document that I've saved $32. Man, I just hope that I can stay consistent with tracking what I'm doing. Because I do have a habit of starting this. Because I remember a few months ago, I had started doing tracking and writing down everything, but then eventually I had stopped. So hopefully I stay consistent with this. But only time will tell. Alright, so I've updated my tracking with that. And that's basically it, guys. But if you have recently subscribed to my channel, guys, thank you so much. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. And hopefully you engage with me in the comments as well. So guys, have an awesome day. So remember to invest in your future and track your savings. Toodles.